Okay, everyone, never ever play with fixtures in public buildings. So, when you are in any public building, never ever do this. It is fine if you are in a one-person room, like a bathroom, and the light is off and you need to turn on the light so you can see. And if somebody tells you to turn the light off, like if you are watching a movie or a educational video at school and the teacher tells you you can turn the light off, that is fine. But don't do it with people around. Don't do it in a place like an auditorium where there are people populated in a public building. And don't do it in somebody else's house, or else you will be banned from the party they are throwing, and you will never be invited back to their house ever again. Also, never ever unscrew the plate off your switch. Never ever take the switch out, because you can get electrocuted. Same with ceiling lights. Never ever take the globe out of the lights. Never ever take the bulbs out. Never ever take them off the ceiling. Ceiling fans, you never take the blades off of them. Never flip the blades around, and never change the speed or the direction on them, and never take them off the ceiling. Also, with lamps, never ever take the bulb out of it, never ever play with the switch on it, and never ever take the lampshade out of it. If this is your own house, that is totally okay, but if this is somebody else's house, and especially a public building, it is not okay at all. So, never ever play with switches or fixtures unless it is in your own house or if you have permission. But if you don't, you leave them alone. Bye.